Welcome to English Teaching Friends. Today we are going to practice 20 daily English questions that will help you speak more confidently in real life. These questions are simple, natural, and commonly used by native speakers. As you listen, try to repeat each question after me and imagine yourself answering it in a real conversation. Daily practice like this will improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. So, let's begin. Every day, we ask questions. We ask our family, our friends, our colleagues, and even ourselves. That's why practicing daily questions is one of the easiest and fastest ways to improve your English speaking skills. I will give you each question slowly, clearly, and naturally. You can repeat after me. You can also pause the video, think of your own answer, and speak out loud. The goal is to make English a part of your everyday speaking routine. Let's start with question 1. How are you today? This is one of the most common questions in English. Practice asking it warmly and naturally. Repeat, how are you today? Now, imagine you're greeting someone and starting a friendly conversation. 2. What are your plans for today? This question helps you talk about your daily schedule. Repeat. What are your plans for today? Think of one or two simple activities you could say. 3. Did you sleep well last night? A very natural question in morning conversations. Repeat. Did you sleep well last night? Use it with friends, family, or coworkers. 4. What are you working on right now? Perfect for daily English practice if you work or study. Repeat. What are you working on right now? 5. Do you need any help? A polite and useful question. Repeat. Do you need any help? Use it to show kindness and support. 6. What did you eat for breakfast? A classic conversation starter. Repeat. What did you eat for breakfast? Try answering with a full sentence. 7. How's the weather today? Weather is one of the most common small talk topics. Repeat. How's the weather today? You can answer with simple phrases like, it's sunny, it's raining, or it feels nice. 8. What time did you wake up? Repeat. What time did you wake up? Practice answering with clear numbers and times. 9. Do you have any meetings or classes today? Repeat. Do you have any meetings or classes today? This question helps you practice talking about schedules. 10. How are you feeling right now? This helps you practice emotional vocabulary. Repeat. How are you feeling right now? You can answer with words like happy, tired, calm, or focused. We are halfway through the list. If you want better fluency, try saying each question out loud. Don't just read it, speak it. Now, let's continue with the next 10 questions. 11. What's something new you learned today? Repeat. What's something new you learned today? You can answer with even the smallest new thing. 12. What are you looking forward to this week? A great question to practice future tense. Repeat. What are you looking forward to this week? 13. Did you watch anything interesting recently? Repeat. Did you watch anything interesting recently? You can talk about YouTube videos, movies, or shows. 14. What music do you listen to when you relax? Repeat. What music do you listen to when you relax? Practice connecting ideas about hobbies and emotions. 15. Who did you talk to today? Repeat. Who did you talk to today? This question helps you review interactions. 16. What do you usually do in your free time? A very common question in English conversations. Repeat. What do you usually do in your free time? Try giving 2 or 3 short activities. 17. What's one goal you want to achieve today? Repeat. What's one goal you want to achieve today? This helps you practice talking about plans and motivation. 18. Do you like to try new things? Repeat. Do you like to try new things? Practice answering with reasons. 19. What's something you are grateful for today? Repeat. What's something you are grateful for today? A powerful question for reflection and positive thinking. 20. What was the best part of your day? Repeat. What was the best part of your day? End your day with simple positive conversation. These were the 20 daily questions to help you practice speaking English every day. But remember, just listening is not enough. You need to speak. You need to repeat. You need to practice aloud. If you repeat these questions daily, your fluency will improve. Your pronunciation will become clearer. Your confidence will grow, and you will start thinking in English naturally. Try using these questions with your friends, your family, or even when speaking to yourself. Ask these questions in the morning, in the afternoon, and at the end of the day. You can also record your voice and compare your speaking day by day. This is one of the most effective ways to build strong English habits. If you enjoyed today's video, you can check out more speaking practice lessons on this channel, English Teaching Friends. Make sure to subscribe for daily English learning videos. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep improving. See you in the next lesson.